In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and clone your apps here on an iPhone. Before you get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But when it comes to cloning apps here on an iPhone, what we're really doing is creating multiple shortcuts of the exact same app using the app library. So first scroll all the way to the right on your iPhone to get to your app library, and from here you can find whatever app you want to clone. In this example, I'm going to go ahead and use YouTube since that's what we're uploading these videos on. Essentially press and hold that app until it gets to a section like this where you can just go ahead and drag it to anywhere on your home screen. Once you place it, you'll see that you now have another version of the same app. So if I scroll all the way over, you're going to see I have another YouTube as well. And just to show you that this does work, I'm going to take this one and put it all the way on the end. And you'll see I actually have two different YouTubes just like so. You can repeat this process as many times as you want if you want to create multiple clones. And you can also move each one anywhere on your home screen or even place them on different pages for quicker access. Just keep in mind that these are all going to use the exact same account. You can't sign into different accounts on each one. They simply just duplicate shortcuts to open up the same app. We actually have a full video breaking down how you can use multiple apps on this, so I'd recommend checking that out if you would like to do that. But that is how you can clone apps here on an iPhone. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.